Welcome guys. I already made this video a few times ago or a while ago for my private members, but I thought about why not make this public as well, because this is interesting information and this might really come into use for a lot of people. So for people in the public group, as you guys just saw, I placed this text here from the Ethereum merge that this could potentially lead to another bottom, buy the rumor, sell the news event type of thing. So let me explain kind of why do I think this could happen now. My chart analysis will be on Bitcoin for that, but overall it will come clear why I think that could be a potential thing. So first of all, what we have to do is we mark a little bit of when the Bitcoin halvings are. So I searched this for us, and let's start for the sake of this video with 2016. So 2016, it was in July 2016. So if we go all the way here, this is not even a full correct chart. I'll use this one and it will all become very clear. Or you know what, to not lose my own chart either, here, boom, will be a lot easier. So if we go to the monthly here and we look for 2016 July, we will mark it in which color? In yellow, right? What else do we have? The bottom of the bear market, which is very important as well, January 2015. This one will be in blue. And what else is important is that we have the top of our bull market, which we will place in this color here, red, pink type of thing. All right, so this is what it looked like from 2013 till 2016. The top was in, we had a very long bear market till the winter of 2015, where we found the bottom, consolidation, Bitcoin halving happens, boom, we're continuing to a new all-time high, which was in here around 20K. So basically now we do the same thing. We mark our all-time high, the same color like this. We mark the bottom of our bear market, which was then here in December. We mark it also in blue. And then what we have to do is, again, very simple. We look at May 2020, which was the next Bitcoin halving then. And this was somewhere here. And we mark this also in yellow. So we see that there's a sort of pattern that is coming back here. So what do we do now? We look at the date ranges. So from the top till the bottom of the bear market was like 426 days, roughly. Again, guys, this is on a monthly chart. This could differentiate like 1 to 3 months. This is just a theory. This is not exact prediction. This is just a theory, which is very useful to keep in mind towards the years and months coming for what's gonna happen in crypto. This might be very true what I'm saying, but this could be totally wrong as well. But it's just an interesting look at the whole market. All right. So 426 days from the top to the from the top of the bull market till the bottom of the bear market. All right. What else do we have? We have the bottom of the bear market till the next halving, which is around 547 days. Okay. And then from the Bitcoin halving to the top, it's 518 days. And from the bottom of the market all the way to the top, it was 1065 days. So very interesting numbers here. Let's do the same now with the last bull run in 2017. We have the top of the bear market till the bottom, 365 days. This what differentiates, like, is this the correct bottom? I have to see. Actually here, boom, 396 days, which differentiates like 30 days or something. So very close up to each other. Then we have the bottom of the bear market till the Bitcoin halving, which was a 486 days. So very close to what this was. Then of course we have the current all-time high that we made for Bitcoin, which was here, November. Place this in this color. And from the halving to the Bitcoin top was 549 days. Around here, if we then go back a little bit, it was 518 days. So again, a 30-day range roughly. And what do we have else is very simple. The bottom of the bear market till the top of the bull market, 1035 days. Here it was 1065 days. So again, 30 days difference. This is not starting to become coincidence. This is starting to become very, a very obvious pattern, right? So then next, when is our next Bitcoin halving? Is expected to occur in 2024 early. Bitcoin halving 2024, it's between April and July or June, I guess. Here it says July 5th. So for the sake of this video, between April and July, we will take May 2024, correct? So May 2024 is right here. And this we place again in yellow. So now we have this information here of when our next Bitcoin halving could roughly be. So we basically use the same information again. If we take an average from the Bitcoin top here till the Bitcoin bottom, and we do the same from here to here, let me see on my phone quickly what an average would be for that. So 426 plus 369 divided by 2, 426 plus 396 divided by 2 is 411 days, something like that. So from the bottom, from the top here, 411 days. If we have to do it something like this, let's do it even a little bit less, is 395 days. Boom, here. And then we could mark this in blue because this could be the potential bottom of the bear market. And I will explain in a second why. It will start to become very obvious. Or even, let's just place it here. Boom. 426 days, very close to 411 days. All right, so we have this information here. And now, if we look, we had this here from the top to the bottom, again, top to the bottom. What we can do now is very simple. We can do the same calculation and we can go from the bottom of the bear market, potential bottom of the bear market, to the Bitcoin halving. And what can we see again? 486 days, 486 days. Here it was 547 days, so, or 548 days. So we can see that all these ranges are very close with each other. So this is not starting to become coincidence, but like a very clear pattern. 486, 486, and here it's like 547. So these things are very close to each other. It differentiates like maybe 60 days maximum. Another calculation that we can then do is if from the bottom of the bear market to the top was 1035 days and here 1065 days, if we then again do the same, 1065 plus 1035 divided by 2, 1050 days, and we go all the way here to 1050 days, we can round it off just here in December, or even doesn't really matter, December or November, doesn't really matter. And then we place this again in purple or pink, whatever it is, here, and we place it in pink. We can see that these things very much align with each other. Again, from the halving till the top, 549 days. from the halving till the top, 518 days. And if we then calculate it from here, we come around a 579 days, which is again very close, which are roughly 2 months or 60 days difference in between it with its former history. So all these things can be very clear to each other. Now, what is even more clear that we can see is that the top of the bull market in 2013 was in the winter. The top of the bull market in 2017 was in the winter. Our current local all-time high was formed in November, in the winter, right? What else can we see? The bottom getting formed in January in 2015. 2019, January, we form a bottom. January 2023, there is again a possibility that we form a bottom. So that's why I'm saying that a potential relief rally is still on its way, because it would make a lot of sense. Let's say Bitcoin goes from this point here all the way to, let's say 28K or even at 35K, where we roughly have like CME futures gap. If we do something like this, let's just say for the sake of this video, average here between around 32K. A lot of people here will get bull trapped and think, oh, new bull market, new all-time high. No, this will immediately trap people to have a massive downside momentum, just like what happened in the past here, is that in, I think, July here, the month of July, we made a nice upside momentum to eventually, boom, 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 stumble all the way down when August, September started to hit, and boom, a bottom was formed. The same thing roughly happened here in the past. We have here, around June, July, we have like those little nice relief rallies after a bear market, and then eventually the market continues to stumble down. So all these things become to a theoretical, very logical view, which might become very true. Again, this is based on a monthly time frame. This will not be pure correct, but it will be very close to it most likely. If we now have this relief rally here and we then continue to pummel down, most likely it will be the bottom for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, and that will be the best time to buy in. So with that being said, I hope you think this video was very interesting, because it makes a lot of sense. If you look at all the data here from the past, this does make a shit ton of sense. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.